Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying your plan and battery. Without tethering allowance or enough charge, you'll interrupt sharing. Once done, open settings and go straight to hotspot or personal hotspot. Enable the hotspot toggle and create an SSID and secure password so others cannot join. Make sure to pick the preferred band too. 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, and select connection types: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. Now your phone is discoverable and ready for client devices. On the client device, choose the method that fits your needs and constraints. For Wi-Fi, scan networks, select the SSID and enter the password. Make sure auto join is off for public places. For USB, connect cable and accept any prompts to trust the host. This gives faster, more stable throughput and spares the hotspot battery. For Bluetooth, pair devices from Bluetooth settings and enable internet sharing. Once connected, verify IP and gateway to confirm internet access, and monitor data use to avoid surprises. To finish, control who's connected and enable any tethering limits to prevent overage. Monitor speed and battery and plug in the host device for prolonged sessions. If a client won't get internet, first disconnect and reconnect, then toggle the hotspot off and on, or briefly switch airplane mode to reset radios. Make sure carrier tethering is not blocked and both devices run current OS. If speeds remain low, switch between 2, 4, and 5 GHz, or try USB for a more reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.